Using negative space to a better finished product. My secret sauce today is using negative space to a better finished product. Just to clarify, by using the term negative space, we're not talking about a location that gives off bad vibes. We're talking about the space within your image where you strategically have no application of ink. I have a friend who loves printing 1950s and 1960s sci-fi and monster movie posters on t-shirts and print them as large as his largest platen allows. Those prints, although incredibly cool, feel like giant postage stamps on the front of the shirt. Now, I live in Arizona. A solid sheet of plastisol or transfer application like that is nearly impossible to wear and be comfortable. And no matter where you live, that image just feels thick, heavy, and uncomfortable. Using negative space is the secret to soften the feel of images on your garments. So, what is negative space? It's basically allowing the fabric to be a part of your graphic. Building a graphic with areas of no ink, negative space. All of the thinning of ink, etc., will negate the heavy feel of a solid block print on your garment. By the way, thinning your plastisol and screen printing or using a higher mesh are part of this process. But in this secret sauce, we're focused on the actual image. Use the shirt color as part of your graphic where you can. Someone showed me a DTG sample they got from a competitor at a trade show once and said, "Why is their print softer than yours?" And I responded, "Well, that graphic is a gorilla on a black t shirt." But the customer was right. The negative space using the black of the shirt as the coat of the gorilla made that image feel incredibly soft. So, guess what? We changed our sample graphic to use more negative space. Our competitor was smarter than we were. Maybe you're printing on multiple colors or a color that can't be used as part of the graphic. You can at least create your image with open space where you can. It will give the illusion of a much softer print. The Two Regular Guys art guy, Dan Clement, he did a recent secret sauce on softer DTF prints. He explained how to use 20 DPI halftone dots in your image to make it appear softer. Those 20 DPI dots create negative space in the image. Look it up on YouTube under secret sauce and see how see how Dan explains that. Using negative space to create a softer feel to your image isn't magic, but it's pretty darn close. That's my secret sauce for today.